Want to write full Manhwa recap scripts entirely on your mobile phone in under 5 minutes? Welcome back everyone. I heard so many of you joined Recap Manga after my last video. Massive good luck to all of you grinding out there. Today we're taking this process fully mobile. First things first, to do this on a phone you need a mobile browser that actually supports Chrome extensions. If you're on an iPhone, download Orion. If you're on Android, Kiwi browser is your go-to. Though Android is super flexible, so you might even find other options. Once you open Orion or Kiwi, head over to Panel Downloader and hit Get It for Chrome to install the extension. But pay close attention right here because this part gets a bit tricky. Chrome extensions behave a bit odd on mobile compared to a computer. On mobile, the extension doesn't automatically organize your downloaded files into neat chapter folders, and worse, it doesn't automatically number them. If you just download blindly, you'll end up with a jumbled mess of images that will completely ruin your script. So how do we beat the system? You need to find mangas or manhwa sites that already number their pages directly on the site. Once you find a site like that, open the Panel Downloader extension, preview it, and check exactly how many images it says are on the page. Hit download. Crucial step. Jump into your phone's Files app and verify that the exact number of files actually downloaded. Don't skip this. Now for the magic. Go to Recap Manga and create your project. Give it a name, set your genre, and let's choose the setting. Now upload your panels. Since you are on mobile, you must select them in exact numerical order. Click 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 15. The reorder page is your absolute best friend here. Double check a few pages to ensure the flow is correct. If everything looks good, hit begin. While the AI runs its OCR process, a quick heads up. My next video is going to be a special experiment. It's taking me a week to film, but it will be so worthwhile, fun, and incredibly informative for those of you who want to earn money through recaps but just don't have a lot of free time. Make sure your notifications are on for that one. Alright, the OCR is done, hit generate script. This time it will be a little faster, and boom, you have your script. The AI automatically saves your characters and hands you a beautifully formatted recap script, all done from the palm of your hand. You now have everything you need to start recording. For the rest of the process, you can watch this video right here on how to edit those recap videos directly on your mobile phone. It might be super fun for you. Like always, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.